Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Bhlla, Meta's Head of Safety Policy for the Asia-Pacific region. We are happy to continue our partnership with PTA as we collectively work to tackle child safety concerns in Pakistan's online space. At Meta, we don't allow content or activity on our platforms that exploits or harms children. We receive and process child safety and trafficking leads from vetted sources. We also help law enforcement find and prosecute the criminals who commit these heinous acts. Meta is one of the founding members of Take It Down, a platform designated by NCMEC to proactively prevent young people's intimate images from spreading online. We are happy to say that this critical tool is now available in Urdu, so more people in Pakistan can access it easily. Our digital literacy and digital citizenship programs in Pakistan have been strengthened by PTA's collaboration. We have also partnered on a number of initiatives to promote online safety with youth in mind, like our Chai Chat series had 10 million views. We thank PTA and NCMEC and hope to continue our ongoing collaboration to promote responsible internet use and do our part to keep children and young people away from harm's way. To know more about Meta's commitment to child safety, please visit our Safety Center, which highlights our comprehensive approach to child safety that includes zero-tolerance policies prohibiting child exploitation, technology to prevent, detect, remove any policy violations, and victim resources and support.